simple instead. Cause I hope you look my way, but no, you didn't even see me gaze yesterday. Feeling every day like I'm going insane. Cause you and I are something I wish for every day. So I hope you look my way, but yeah.
Welcome back for some cleaning motivation for the everyday working mom. Today I have some weekend cleaning motivation for you guys. There were a couple of areas in my home that just needed to be picked up a bit, and while Riley took her nap, I figured it was the perfect opportunity to get all of this stuff done. It is also Super Bowl Sunday, so I would love to know what you guys' plans are. Are you having guests over, or maybe you're attending a party yourself? Let me know what you guys are up to today in the comment section below. For me, we are basically just doing a little bit of a play date with my godson and one of my best friends. I figured it's the perfect opportunity for the kids to go play and me and my friend to just catch up, watch the game, and eat some good food. I am not into football like that, but I feel like with the Super Bowl, it's definitely one of those things that you don't want to miss.
Just like that. Like me like that. Like me like that. I don't even know how to get in your head. Seeking your attention, but simple instead. Cause I hope you look my way, but no, you didn't even see me gaze yesterday. Feeling every day like I'm going insane. Cause you and I are something I wish for every day. So I hope you look my way, but yeah, you didn't even see me gaze yesterday. Cause I know I am nobody to ya, and it feels just like you want me to go now. But I hope you slow it down, hope you slow it down. Cause what I really need is your time. So will you like me like that? Just like that. Like me like that.
I really want to start incorporating motivational messages to you guys in my videos. In my last one, you guys absolutely loved it. So if you did miss that one, I will leave that linked down below as well as in the cards for you. But every year at church, we always have a different theme for the year. And in 2020, it is move forward. And at least for me, this is like my driving force. Last week, he was talking about how transitions really get your enemies out of the way. So if you are dealing with a tough situation at the moment, as easy as it is to focus on all of the negatives, just try and think of the positives, that this could be something that is going to propel you into the next season of your life. And during this transitional season, God could be working on getting all of the enemies and bad energy out of your life, because in order for you to get into your next season of life, not everybody can come with you.
You know it's way too late, regretting our mistakes. You got so head over heels crazy. Need to apologize, we went too far this time. Come a little closer, there's something I have to say. I love you and I hate you and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby, please don't walk away. I love you and yeah. You got nothing to prove, oh baby, I know you'll do right by me. I'll do right by you. You got nothing to prove, oh baby, I know. We got this. It's way too easy to say stuff I never do. You know it's not how I feel, baby. So can we let this slide? Can't stand to see you cry. Come a little closer, there's something I have to say. I love you and I hate you and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby, please don't walk away. got this. I know you've been down thinking about him again. I know that your heart's been broken. You should try and let it go and start being yourself. I moved all of the magnets and stuff like that on the side. We are still able to open all the drawers. Don't mind the mess in there, but to me it just looks better just because I really like the look of a clean fridge. I don't like anything on it. I feel like it just makes the whole kitchen look a lot more fresh and clean. But let me know if you guys are the same exact way. You should go work that body. You should go work that body. The body won't stop till we're great and old. Maybe for a second we can lose control. You should go work that body. Breakups leave the scars, you don't need to be ashamed. Everyone's got their hearts broken sometime. Let's go out and lose our minds, forget all about him. You can put on your dress, dancing to your favorite song. Everybody will sing along, sing along, sing along. So put your hands up, this is what we have to do. Tell me, can you feel it too, feel it too? Maybe you should go work that body. You should go work that body. The body won't stop till we're great and old. Maybe for a second we can lose control. You should go work that body. Baby, you should go work that body. You should go work that body. The body won't stop till we're great and old. Maybe for a second we can lose control. You should go work that body. Baby, you should go work that body. You should go work that body. The body won't stop till we're great and old. Maybe for a second we can lose control. You should go work that body. Won't you sing out your frustration? Just say a word. Keep on staring at the pavement. God knows who hurt. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town.
As you guys can see, we did bring Riley's potty downstairs and put it in the guest bathroom just because we are always downstairs, so it's just easier for us. And then we did just get like a little seat that we can put on the potty upstairs. But to give you guys a quick update, she's been doing okay with it, I guess. I'm a first-time mom, so this is the first time I'm ever doing this, but there have been times when she has peed and pooped in the potty, but it's not consistent whatsoever. And the last thing I want to do is like force her to do something that she just might not be ready for. So if you guys have any tips and tricks, please leave them down below.
Echoing inside your walls, 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one that said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so.